Now, for my favorite feature of all time in TAC. So I do have my camera off for this one because I want you to be able to see the full screen. So this is going to be about sending mass emails to parents, guardians, and students. So if you go to the class management tab in the top bar and you click email, it is automatically going to bring up this email bank. Also, I want to start this off by saying your school may not have this turned on, and that's okay. All you have to do is ask to have it turned on, and it will be turned on for you, but it is an option within TAC. So it looks very old school, I will admit, but it can do everything that you need it to do. So to figure out who you're going to send it to, press the to button, and it automatically has it marked that it's going to include currently enrolled students, which is great. But up here to send to, you can do students, guardians, or both. So say I'm just sending out an update about what's going on in classes and I only want to send it to my Algebra 1 classes. So I'm going to select Algebra 1, second period Algebra 1, as well as my 7th period Algebra 1. And this email I'm sending to is only going to go to those students. So those guardians, So once I select who I want, I will click close. And it automatically now is recalling from the TAC system those guardians' emails that are on file. And sometimes I like to put myself as a recipient, even though I do have that setting turned on to automatically get a copy of it. So then you can just type in a subject line. So I'm going to say professional development test email. Then you can type in any email you want. And you can put anything in the body that you would like. Now, I personally go to Word and type it in Word and then copy and paste in here because sometimes I can catch the errors, maybe from typos and grammatical errors in Word. And then the lovely thing about this email capability is you can also attach a file. Now, it's not going to be, I would not send out individual student files through this mass email capability, but you could send out maybe averages of assignments within that class. For example, that say you gave a quiz and the average score was a 20 out of 30. You could send like that average report. But use this to the best of your ability. So say sometimes you're just letting people that know that you're going to be out tomorrow. So I can go back in here, select all of my classes other than my prep period, and I'm going to send it just to students. Tell them that I'm out. Now, since I selected that one on the Guardian tab, I will have to go back through and select all of my classes, but that's no problem. Then you click close, and it's already it's going to pull up everything that you need for who it's going to be sending to. So use this to your advantage. Use this to communicate with those guardians. And whenever it goes to your email, label it as either student communication or parent communication. So use this resource to your advantage and have fun.